Welcome to this IU Bicentennial Minute.
Hands-on practice is critical to learning skills for anthropology fieldwork. But many college students lack the time and money to work on a professional dig. So Indiana University East created an archaeological research center where they can get experience. A gift from retired professors Rob and Nancy Tolley helped build the center. Located in the woods east of campus, it has 4 areas, a replica of an Adena mound like those built in the Midwest over 2,000 years ago, a site that mimics the remains of a 16th century Native American village, a structure modeled on an ancient Maya tomb, a site for burying pig carcasses so forensic science students can study decomposition. With the center, IU East can offer its students a field school in archaeological methods and create opportunities for working with other universities and with youth and civic groups.
Indiana University Bicentennial.